Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2011 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2011 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic with 15,618 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and reverse. It's been upgraded with axle caps, grips, a trailer hitch, trailer, custom trailer lights, a tire inflator kit with an air compressor, an oil failure relocation kit, a rear bumper, a heated seat, a luggage rack, an LED headlight, LED passing lamps, smoke front turn signals, a windshield and windshield trim, a chrome radio trim, upper fairing and tour pack speaker trim, and a driver backrest. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin engine, the TRIGLIDE puts 101 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the TRIGLIDE has a 180 to 200-mile range. It has a 27.5-inch seat height and a 1,212-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds, and both rear tires are at 1030 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the voltmeter bulb is out. Even with new batteries, the key fob needs to be in close proximity to the seat for the bike to start. The passenger heated seat has power, even with the key off, but the front of the seat does not. The spare tire for the trailer has dry rot and is flat. We posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a crack on the trailer lid, and paint blemish on the inner fairing. This trike has an owner's manual, 3 keys and 2 fobs, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.